Have you ever seen a bubble sneak up on a duck? Well, you can see that today on
Jane's the name, she really cares for you.
It's Jane's the name.
That's me! Loved ones, look at this amazing park! Today we are at the historical park in Tumwater, Washington. Hey, I have a great idea. Let's go up the highest slide together. Let's go. Wow, this is so neat. It's like our own fort up here. You go down the big slide with Sir Ducky and I'll meet you down there. Let's go. We're going up so high. That was so fun! Wow, this is so neat! What a cool thing to climb! Let's climb it!
Oh, this one makes me dizzy.
It's time to work out! Today's workout, we're going to try to run away and hide and get the monster away from us. Our first move is big arm circles. This makes sure that the monster stays away from us. Stay away, monster. Keep going. Good job, loved ones. All right, now we're going to run in place really, really fast so we can run away from the monster. Let's go. Faster. Good job. Oh, wow. I'm so happy we got away from the monster. Oh, now we have to run really slow so we can sneak away from the monster. Sneak away. Oh, we got away from him. Now we have to stomp on the monster. Stop. 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 Oh, loved ones, that was so good. We made sure to get away from the monster. Let's do it again. Wow, that was a great workout, and we got away from the monster. Look at this awesome zip line. Let's go ahead and do it. Come on. Guess what time it is? Dance break. Let's go. ones, I have a great idea. I brought my bubble wand and it's beautiful out, so we should make some bubbles, right, Sir Ducky?
Quack, quack.
Let's do it. Bubbles! Wow, look at that bubble. Uh-oh. Oh no, I'm so sorry, friends. What a silly bubble. The bubble looks like it has the rainbow in it. I see green and purple. That is so pretty. Bubbles! Wow, that is a large bubble. Whoa, watch out, friends. Bubbles! More bubbles! This is so fun! Bubbles! Oh, bye, Bubble! Bubbles! Bubbles! Wow! That is the largest bubble I have ever made! Loved ones, thank you so much for coming and playing with me at the park today. I had so much fun with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, loved ones!
Jane's the name, she really cares for you.
It's Jane's the name.